Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I just want to talk about a low cap gem that I mentioned before in the past. I was asked to do an update on it. I was already gonna do an update on it because I'm getting really excited about this project. This video might be a little bit all over the place because I'm just trying to spew out as much information as I can about this project, because right now it's on a tear and I think it has a long way to go. So looking at Akropolis and the AKRO token and seeing that the circulating supply is about 1.5 billion tokens and the market cap is $16 million, which means that the price is about 1 cent, up 7 cents today. Scrolling down on CoinGecko, we can see that it's up 236%. What? 236%. And honestly, I didn't even buy any. Like, I was looking at it, I was doing more research, I got real busy, and I didn't even get any yet. So pulling up this chart, I'm looking for an entry, right? And for me, this is what I'm looking at right here. If I just pull up this chart for the first time, and I didn't even plan on doing this, but like I said, I'm excited about this coin. Now this could be a flag right here, and if this is a flag, then that means the target of this flag will be a little bit under 2 cents. So you're looking at a little bit of maybe a 50-60% gain. You usually get 75% of this target. So if this in fact is a bull flag, then we can expect that this coin is gonna run some more on big treks. And I mean, I gotta get me some. I mean, I'm FOMOing right now, never FOMO, but this is a daily chart. If we go to the hourly, we can see that, yep, look at this flag is holding up because you got these touches. You just move this down a little bit. This is a little bit off, but these touches, man, like, whoop, you know, going in here, hopefully, you know, but it might do like this and maybe take one more turn down, come all the way down here, and then try to go up. Or, you know, if it breaks down, then, you know, that could always happen too, so that would be bad. If it breaks down, then it looks like we will be able to buy some back at the main resistance point. And for people who say that technical analysis doesn't work, it's like, go ahead and think what you want to think, man. These are tools, you know, like, if you don't know how to use the tool, then okay, you know what I mean? You don't know how to use the tools, I guess. But looking at the Akropolis coin, why is it up 232%? Well, besides the fact that all of DeFi has been on a tear lately, and we've seen about $20 billion come into the market, and we've seen Bitcoin dominance go down. So 20 billion coming into the market and Bitcoin dominance going down, to me, that's just telling me that all that money is swerving into the altcoins right now. And that's just great, you know, except for the fact that Ethereum, the gas fees are ridiculous. So, but anyways, let's get back to Akropolis, why we're here. So, market cap of 17 million. Going to the website, what is it? Borrow and lend, save and earn. So this Akropolis OS is where you can build your dApps. It's an SDK where you can build dApps for any type of business, and it's going to be connected to Polkadot and Ethereum through the Polka Bridge. What? And then you have Sparta, which is a product that's built on top of the Akropolis OS. So this product is built on top of this. So picture this is like its own chain, right? And then this is something built on that chain, and then this is something built on that chain, and this chain is made to be able to connect with Polkadot and Ethereum. But when they were developing this chain, they decided, hey, you know what, we should share this information with Polkadot and Ethereum because it could help them, it could help the whole ecosystem, and it can help all of us. And that's how you have this project working with both Ethereum and you got Polkadot and Ethereum. So they have the cash flow relay, and then you have this Polka bridge right here, where it's bridge self tokens of DAI tokens to ERC20 to SDAI, blah 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 blah. So that's pretty cool. And then you have this platform as a service for substrate nodes. So they're building these platforms where you can have these parachains, they call them, connected to both. You know, it could basically be connected through to Ethereum. You can have the features of different blockchains when you build your DApp if you're a developer. So this project is mainly aimed towards, this one is mainly aimed towards developers. This project right here is mainly aimed towards businesses, small businesses, people who want to do borrowing and lending, just like a lot of DeFi. And the Delphi one is what I wanted to talk about today, because it released a what is it called? I guess a sample. They released like a sample of the dashboard of what it's gonna look like, and it's a simple connect your monthly check and compound DeFi yields, compound gains, savor rewards, all in one account, automated and non-custodial. So through connecting your MetaMask wallet or your I guess it's called, I don't know what the wallet is called for Polkadot yet, but I'm guessing that it's going to be interoperable. I don't know, don't quote me on that. I'm still digging into this, but looking at this product, they're going to make yield farming like a lot easier. Like, with yield farming, you got to take this and put it over there and take that and put it over here and take this and put it over there. Imagine if it was just all in one place, and you can just say, hey, I'm going to upload $1,000 from my checking account and go into DAI and start yield farming through all these different things. I can either automate it or I can do it myself. Some are more riskier than others, depending on what type of return you want to try to get back. So with that, it's a little bit scary, because I don't really like anything that has like gains that are super high. But going to, let's go to right here, we're on the wiki. So we talked about a little bit about Sparta. I'll mention that in another video, but right now we're talking about this Delphi pool. So Delphi is a pool built on Akropolis OS. Delphi allows executors automatic dollar cost averaging into BTC and ETH. It's a long-term strategy, and if you're like me, I'm long-term ETH. You know what I mean? Like I'm just, right now the price is stupid low to me. Like even that pump was like, like it wasn't nothing. But back to Delphi, like look at how nice this platform looks, and I think I have it up right here. Look at how nice this looks. You have your summary right here of all your assets and all this stuff. So this is gonna make it a lot easier for people to, you need a cockpit, you need a dashboard, you know what I mean? And this is gonna be a lot easier for people to manage their yield farming, people to manage just kind of any assets they have, they might want to use this platform for. The last thing I want to talk about, you can come check this out yourself. Maybe I'll see if I could put a link in the description. I gotta find that link again. But another thing that I want to talk about is the tokenomics. So you have a 2-token infrastructure with this, and I've never been really a fan of the 2-token thing with the whole like stablecoin, or like creating 2 tokens for gas and the actual token. Like if that's the gas, then what do you need a token for? Like Ethereum, ETH is the gas. It's like, it's called Gateway, whatever, but you can't really, as far as I know, don't even quote me on that, actually I should look into that, but I don't think you can buy Ethereum gas. Like Ether is Ether, you know what I mean? It's all Ethereum. But with that being said, this one is set up a little bit different. So I just got paid for looking at this ad on the Brave browser. If you're not using the Brave browser, they have, it's built on the Ethereum, so it has Ethereum wallets built into it, like, so you can use Web 3.0 and all the DeFi protocols directly through the browser. It's pretty nice. They finally got it working to where I think it's pretty cool. But Treasure Model T just bought some BAT tokens and then paid it to us for looking at this ad, because it cycles around. So say I want to advertise on this platform, $500 minimum. I know because I looked into it, because I want to advertise on this platform, $500 minimum. Go ahead and get that in BAT tokens, pay that to the and they give out 80% back to the community, 20% goes to the foundation. Bada bing, bada boom, we getting paid for our attention. That's why it's called basic attention token. But speaking of tokens, you got the ASPT token, but first, of course, we're here about the AKRO token. So the AKRO token is an ERC20 token for system governance. It gives the right to vote on changes in the DAO parameters, interest rate, the bond curve parameters, loan collateralization ratio, etc. So you are able to have a say in what goes on in these protocols. This is why we're so early. Like, this is like, in the future, when people start throwing their pensions on this platform, we're gonna have a say in how the things are run. You know what I mean? It's like you're gonna be able to vote, like decentralized. It's not like you're gonna have you're not gonna have stock or anything like that, but you're gonna have voting rights in what happens in this platform if you hold the token. And for doing that, you're gonna get interest, and also over time the governance fee. If you spotted this little part right here and you read ahead above me, you can see that the spread between entering and exiting the price of ASP is used to buy and burn the AKRO tokens. Now, for long-term holds, I love any type of mechanism, any type of protocol that has it built in where they burn the tokens, because less tokens means that in the future, if you need them, you're gonna have to buy them from me, and you know, I want to be in that position. So I think that's it for today. I don't want to make this video too long. You guys go ahead and look into the Akropolis coin. Let me know what you guys think is your favorite part about this. I'll get into the ASPT token later. It goes more into, you know, they use it on the actual platform. It's utility. Damn, it's a network token. Put it that way. Used in the network to make these pools run. And the bonding, we'll talk about the bonding curve and all that. But like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. If you want to know more about Akropolis, you can go ahead and hit up their website. You can get there from CoinGecko at akropolis.io. You can also look at the white paper, the medium, all that good stuff. Low cap gem. Till next time, peace.